Hello everyone. In my project 2, I selected the same building, which is the Phoenix International Media Center, as my case study. I did 3 parts. The first is the conceptual mass model design using Dynamo. Second is the parametric design using family parameters in Dynamo. And the third is the color change of the curtain panel. So in the first part, I used the same strategy as as my project 1. I set the radius of the baseline circle. In a circle, I put the segmentation points, which there are 60 points, as all the center of the ellipse. Then I created all the ellipse based on the coordinate system, and then I rotated all the ellipse of a certain angle. So the calculation of the angle is a little difficult for me, and I put all the formulas here. So each ellipse will be rotating to a certain angle. So the angle is also calculated based on the number of the divided points. After that, I created the solid form. And then I import it into the Revit family. So this is what the mass end up looks like. And this is the first part I did. In the second part, I use the family parameter, which is also the radius of the baseline circle, as the parameter that I can change. So when I change the number slider, the mass in the family can be changed accordingly. And the third part is the color change of the curtain panel. In this part, as I set a random I set a random number selection, which I will select 4 random numbers starting from 0 to 255, which is the range of the color. So I extract the 4 numbers, then I input them into the numbers. So when I change and sliding the integer slider, so the color can be changed. Can be changed like this. And then I also changed the color of the curtain panel based on its location. So the first part is also I select all the location of the family instance, which is the curtain panel family, and then the XYZ coordinate will be translated into the color proportion of red, green, and blue. And also this the calculation which I transfer it into the number, which is from 0 to 255. And I also set a parameter which has the darkness. So if I change the darkness of as kind of coefficient, so the brightness and the darkness will be changed accordingly, like this. So this is all my work of project 2. Thank you for listening.